Hey guys, today we're continuing the series on how to use Ultimate Member, the WordPress social network plugin. Today we're going to focus on the photo and video gallery for Ultimate Member, but more specifically the latest feature, Community Album. Community Album allows users to contribute photos to shared albums, perfect for groups or public galleries. So think about an event where persons are all taking pictures and we want everything to be posted to one album, like weddings and events and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's get into it. So let's head over to our dev site where we'll be working with the plugin. Here you can see I have Ultimate Member, User Gallery for Ultimate Member, and User Switching. We're going to use these three for this demo purpose. So let's get over to our gallery, hit Album. Now let's give it a name. For this case, let's go with our cats in the wild. So the next thing you want to do is actually select yes under Community Gallery. This is going to tell our plugin that we want everyone to be able to contribute to this album. So let's go ahead, save that. Now that that's complete, we can head on over to the front end, head to the user profile, and here we're going to select Gallery. And under Gallery, you'll notice that we have an album called Our Cats in the Wild. This is the public gallery that everyone can contribute to. So now let's go ahead and click Manage Album. Now let's locate some photos that we want to upload. So here, let's go ahead and choose our cats. We're going to choose from the first set at the top. Perfect. And just like that, we've now contributed to this public gallery, Our Cats in the Wild. Now, let's say we wanted to switch to a different user and also add some photos to this gallery. So now that we switched to Stuart, let's head to the same album. We're going to click Manage Album. And now, if you notice, you'll see here that the user is unable to edit any of these, and that's because they're not the owner of the photos. They just have access to the album. Now let's go ahead, click from the bottom, and let's go ahead and save those. Perfect. Now I've contributed to the album. Now the next step is to actually create a page where we can actually see all of the photos together for this album. So let's do that quickly. To do that, we're going to head on up to, well, first we need to switch back to the admin. Now we're going to head over to page, create a new page, and we're going to just give this a quick title, Cats in the Wild. Perfect. Now we're going to add a shortcode. Yes, so we're going to add a shortcode block. Let's head on over to our documentation, and this is the shortcode we're going to use, Gallery Photos. So now that that's in, let's head down to our attributes, and what we want to use is album ID. So we're going to add that album ID, and now let's just head back over to our albums. Here we go. And we're going to just grab the ID from this, which is number 3. Perfect. So here we're just going to add 3. We're going to hit publish, and then we're going to take a look at this from the front end. View page. Perfect. And here you go. Now I can see all the photos that were added to the public album. Now we can see all the contributions made by our 2 demo users. All right, that's the end of our tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Ultimate Member features, tutorials, and tips.